Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, for those who are joining me right now, appreciate if you can type a one for me. Okay, at least I know my sound and screen is fine. It's working. Of course, help me to click like and share as well. Okay. So, first of all, thank you for joining me this morning. Just again, before I start further, just want to do a quick disclaimer. In this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell call. So, if you want to trade any stocks based on our discussion over here today, make sure you get your own trading plan, right? And then, very important, okay, to know where your stop loss is, and then of course, if not, get the advice from the professional. Okay, so definitely right now, I think still remain the hot topic is McLean. Okay, today still continue to goes up. Okay, again, too bad. Okay, this one against actually it's very nice setup. Last Friday coming back very strongly, but unfortunately I didn't really look for the re-entry. Okay, I think I shared with some of the our members in Telegram. Once it cut through this below the 40 MA, I exited. Then I was monitoring. I thought Friday it goes up. Monday, which is yesterday, you're gonna have a little bit of testing around the 2040, but I think they shoot up quite fast. Okay, at the end of the day. So today continue goes up. Missed the 40-50% over here. But it's okay lah. Sometimes it's like that. Okay, sometimes market it tends to wash you out, and then it goes up. Okay, so that's why from time to time we want to monitor this kind of trade setup here, so that we can actually try to get into the next possible trades. Okay, now if you ask me right now, McLean still showing strength signals. Okay, I don't think that is a weakness sign. If you look into the weekly chart. Potentially, this is the next resistance, which is they're hitting already right now, currently around 47 cents. Okay, next one probably around 60 over cents. Okay, which is the main resistance area. Okay, so no sign of slowing down right now. Okay, so if you want to look for some FIFO opportunity, probably you can look into the hourly chart. Okay, actually, I'm waiting for hourly chart to do some pullback, COC type of formation. Before I want to look for opportunity again. Okay, because I think that probably after like today should up ready, tomorrow probably we'll start to do some minor pullback. Okay, we see later on. If let's say after lunch, I spot some a good setup, probably I'll look for a quick opportunities. Okay, hello, morning, Roslan. Okay, thank you for joining me. So yeah, there's a quick one overall for so-called McLean right now. Okay, very unfortunate, gonna shake out. Okay, the other one is I think Systec. Okay, Systec also one of the stocks that I think we do share as well in the Telegram, and of course we are still show by shared by Doctor as well, right? So this is actually coming with shakeout, actually very nice. But if let's say today from a shooting star with high volume, probably I will exit first, okay? Because not to say the setup is not nice anymore, but sometimes because especially with news, right? Like for example, lately I feel that stock with news after that they sell off, right? The result is not that very nice. Okay, I think FSPM also. I think they uplifted the PN17 status, if not mistaken, the other day. Then they sell off. Okay, they make a profit taking. Okay, so yeah, this thing happened. Okay, like for example, Systec also, I think they go into AI and data center project as well. So today shoot up, and so far they're doing profit takings already. So I will see until end of day. Of course, lucky we enter quite nice lah. I think my entry is somewhere around this area over here. Okay, so this morning I managed to lock some not very good profit to be frank with you. It's around like 5-6% of profits. Okay, so let's say I goes later and let's say it didn't close strong one. Probably I just exit all first. Okay, monitor. If closing still quite okay for me, okay, probably I'll hold the remaining. Okay, so that's my plan overall for Systec. Especially nowadays with news, I have to slightly be extra more careful. Not to say they will sell off, but sometime probably they will profit takes. Then later on, few weeks later, they will make another pullbacks from them. Okay, now do remember right now overall KRSC also in a so-called pullback situation right now. Okay, so that's why yes, some stocks probably will retest back support. Okay, again, try to look into this kind of stocks. So like for example, I still monitoring Rangtel, HE Group. Even though like Zantan, I think they are still pretty good. Okay, just that Right now it's a pullback market, so you can expect them to every day goes up one. So Zanta as well. Oh, drop lower already. Okay, drop lower. Then this is yeah, S1. Okay, so probably not right now. Okay, so this is the nice so-called the support area. Okay, let's say to drop lower, but overall still low volume lah. Okay, overall still low volume for me lah. So if let's say they do a shakeout, okay, shakeout, then I will be interested. Okay, to look back into Zanta again. So the other one is Bangtel as well. Okay, Bangtel also now slowly low volume already, but the pullback yet to complete. Okay, the pullback yet to complete. I leave up to you lah, whether you want to wait for pullback completes or you want to trade during the pullback. Okay, so normally I will wait for at least a hammer lah. Okay, so far low volume over here. History I think still the same. The other one is Brand Hill. Actually, I'm looking for Brand Hill also. Okay, but do remember pullback yet to complete. Yesterday hammer, but it's a small hammer. Okay, it's a small hammer. So I'm looking for something that's come with upbound with increasing volume. Probably this is the one that it will trigger me to look for so-called entry opportunity. Okay, for Rand Hill. Now the other one is Malakoff. Okay, Malakoff as well. Okay, still holding ball. Okay, notice here the green zone. Okay, this is the I use this for my macro stages wave lah. Okay, so let's say they actually below 0.5. Okay, hopefully you can see that from a small screen. Okay, of course this is the zero line lah. Okay, anything above zero line is positive, below zero line is negative. Is downtrending. So for me, I always like to look for entry near to zero. Okay, which means they're actually building a nice support area. Okay, so I think moving forward, especially with this pullback market, I think some of them actually make sense also. They say currently is Euro 2024, right? I hope some of you that football fans, I think you'll know. The money probably will go into Euro right now because of the they can gamble a bit over there. So market technically will be more quiet, which is happening right now for KSC. But KSC also have been moving for 2 months plus already, right? So I think this kind of so-called pullback is healthy for the market, okay, especially like this kind of counters that are showing a nice pullback setup. Okay, so this is the one that actually I'm looking into. Notice here, you're actually still holding around the positive area, okay, the positive area, but they are very close with support. Okay, of course, in the same time, you monitor for strength signal, like I say, those hammer lah, those COC lah, it's very good, okay, to watch out, okay, in this area here. Okay, so there's Malakoff. Any others? Okay, MBSBs I think slightly disappointing, but overall it's due to the news. Okay, unexpected. Okay, due to the news. So this one also, I still holding. I just entered last week. Okay, I will see how it goes for this week. Okay, so far this green over here turning to close to zero already. As long as it didn't turn to red, I think it's still fine. I probably still hold. Like I say, during this kind of weak market or maybe this kind of new, probably they do a shakeout. Okay, so watch closely lah. If let's say you feel that nothing is not right, probably you need to exit first. Okay, so just use the trading plan over here. So today actually break my so-called S1, but like I said, because due to the news, okay, coming up yesterday. Okay, so I'm going to continue to monitor until the end of this week. Okay, let's into some glove counters. Glove counters. Definitely a bit disappointing, definitely disappointing. Okay, but let's see. Okay, what is the volume actually tell us? Okay, now for Top Glove, okay, Top Glove profit takings on the QR dates. Okay, volume is high, but luckily it's not that highest. Okay, yesterday surprise mostly dropped. Okay, mostly drops, but if you notice, volume is not that high. Okay, volume is not that high. Okay, so I don't think this is a major sell-off yet. Okay, but definitely you need to wait. Okay, because most of the time I don't like this kind of so-called widespread bar, down bar, even though it's low volume. Okay, selling pressure still going on. Yes, I have to agree with Lawrence. Okay, overall market is still a bit not too, how to say, not too bullish. Definitely it's not bullish right now, but not bearish also. Not bearish also. Again, good time to monitor those so-called pullback stocks. Okay, like I still interested in my Rentel, HE Group, even Zanta I still feel okay, because they drop with a low volume. But of course, best you do they form a shakeout or ham. Okay. Now let's go back to so-called glove. Okay, so glove, unfortunately, the other day we entered, let's say, or following the QR, it's slightly bit high. Okay, but overall, I think they will still hit this. They will still so-called hold, okay, around this support area. Okay, because this is periodic resistance. We got periodic support, which is supported once already. Okay, as long as it's still hold around here, I think overall the glove counters is still fine. Okay, I mean photo glove right now. Okay, still okay. But just that, yeah, you have to hold for a while already. This one I think 1 month plus 2 months one. Because here QR release, profit takings, and then yesterday also dropped with widespread candle. Okay, but again, luckily volume is not that high. Okay, right now I don't have any graph anymore. Okay, just stay away first. For me personally, stay away. But overall situation, if I look into long-term wise, it's not that bad. Okay, hopefully I'm correct. But again, you use your own judgment to see whether is it still worthwhile to hold, if you are still holding it. Okay. Now, again for Hata as well, if you look into weekly chart, okay, so sometimes this kind of break, right, pull back. If you notice here, this one sometimes can take how long? Okay, this is since started from May until November. Okay, can take 6 months. Okay, can take 6 months before they try to goes up again. All right, so here also another round of pullback. You can notice here from January to May, also another 5 months. Okay, so here I'm not sure. Okay, here is May breakup. Now we are going to July. Again, like I say, maybe it will hit the 20 MA based on weekly chart. Sideways, 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 sideways. Maybe towards the August, September, then they break. Okay, so it may happen. Okay, because if let's say you look into the past history, they're like that. Okay, but chart wise, I think that the setup is still there based on weekly chart. Okay, so again, leave up to you whether you are looking for long term or short term. Okay, but for me personally, I'm looking for trading purpose. I'm not sure why, because I always don't have a good luck in Gulf counter. Like this round also too bad. Okay, this one also too bad. Okay, any others that I miss out? You want to look into Kosan, but I think mostly it's the same. Summer saja I think most of the glove counter also is the same. When the 4 Tyco didn't move, the rest also won't move one. Okay, so I think summer story lah. Again, we look into weekly chart. Let's see how it goes. Okay, a big shooting star here. Okay, maybe test on the 20 MA is expected also. So the other one that suddenly break up EG. Okay, I think a few months ago we do share EG as well. A good stock for mid to long term. Okay, this is a good stock for mid to long term. If you look into weekly chart, okay, I think we do talk about somewhere around last month. Okay, for EG. Okay, here break. Okay, and then here is the shakeouts area. Okay, here lah, obvious shakeout lah, retest, break. Okay, EG also needs a lot of patience. I think I enter once, but sideways for a few months I exit. Now after a few months they jalan. Okay, so sometimes stock is like that. Okay, but okay, if you ask me right now, a break above this reaccumulation, I think that it will start a new trend, which is they are starting already a new trend. I wish they will make a pullback at least somewhere around here. Okay, and this is where I will look for my chance. Okay, if let's say they continue goes up higher, then yes, you use your hourly chart to check whether you have to do some FIFO or not. Okay, so let's try hourly chart. Okay, since that EG have been quiet since yesterday, I think. Okay, so here I think still okay. I don't see any much of weakness. Probably I would like to wait for a hit 20 MA. Okay, and then sideways, sideways, sideways. If let's say got COC, I think it's good. Okay, somewhere around this area here. Okay, I'll look into net gates. Okay, any other stock you want me to look into, just let me know at the comments. Okay, so I'll check it out later on. Okay, so if you feel that current market is not that bullish, you want to stay away first. Okay, it's okay. Right now also I don't really put all my money into the market right now. Okay, so I'm still holding some because overall market I still feel that not that bullish lah. Okay, so against best is that you keep some, then later on got more opportunity you enter again. Rostan Capital and NYEG. Okay, sure. So okay, now let's go to some of the stock first before I go to my pullback alerts. So nothing much today. Okay, let's say nothing much. We end our section again. No need to rush yourself to enter all the trades. Okay, net gets still a very nice pullback. Okay, if you ask me, a very nice pullback. So here, go up strongly, hold 20 MA. Of course, your S1 20 MA, S2 around this area you want to monitor. Okay, this area over here. All right. So overall nail spread bar volume is getting lower. Okay, so again, like I say, when the green zone, green bar over here, going to zero area, okay, I think it's good for you to look for a so-called opportunity for low risk entry. All right. So far I think okay lah. Still riding on the trend for net gates. Okay, sign tax. Okay, we'll do so. Okay, we go for capital A and MYEG lah. Capital A also I didn't monitor lah for some times already. Okay lah, still the same lah, Ruslan. Actually, yeah lah, nothing changed lah, actually. Okay, as long as for me holding above 40 MA, I think it's good. Okay, as long as holding 40 MA is good. Okay, again, S1, change to this level. Again, use the trading plan from XIFU apps. Okay, so you at least know where is the potential S1, the nearest support. Anything it hits, you know what to do. Okay, the nearest resistance. Okay, maybe on the lock some profit at resistance. Okay, so probably you can use my R1 over here. So far, okay lah. No much of the big changes going on. Everything still within the range. Okay, let's look at the MYEG. MYEG, I think also still cannot break the resistance, right? Okay, here got some profit taking, volume increasing. Okay, now this one I use weekly chart because we're also looking for weekly for long terms. Okay, pulling back from resistance. So maybe potentially I think they will go back to support. Okay, so Rosan next support around 90 cents area. Now it's 90. Oh, still pretty far. Okay, but if you are looking for long term, it's like that. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so here sometimes it hits, retest, hit, retest. Okay, capital A to get out of PN17 this month. Okay, good. But again, careful now about PN17. I kena 2 times already. One is Epicon. Okay, one is Epicon. Right? Once they release the news, the day it goes up, sell down with high volume. After that, it goes lower. Okay, the other one I think is FSBM. Let me check. FSBM, luckily the other day I didn't chase. So that's why still okay. So here, this one, FSBM out of PN17. Okay, you can check the news from here as well on 20 June. Okay, on 20 June. So 20 June is here. Okay, on 21st, which means the next morning. So it goes up, okay, but sell off heavily, okay, with high volume. Okay, so now that's PN17. People will use this opportunity to take profit. So careful on that, okay? So, okay, now let's go to Scientech. Again, just my experience. Maybe these two ngam kena lah. I'm not sure about capital A lah. Maybe capital A can shoot up lah, can fly further lah. Everyone can fly ma. So SSBM and Epicon tajadi lah. So again, watch out for that. So okay, now Scientech. This is for Isabel, right? So I'm not sure whether you're looking for long-term, short-term. Okay, but let's look into long-term because normally for Scientech, I believe mostly you're looking for long-term. Okay. My FA analyzer, if let's say based on Pachowski F score, 6 out of 9, I think is pretty good. Okay, pretty good. 6 out of 9. Anything I think above 6, even 5, I think is pretty okay. 6 definitely is good for me. Okay, so let's do into weekly chart. Riding on the trend. Okay, so this is a nice reversal with volume. First pullback, second pullback, now heading to the third pullbacks. Okay, so I'm not sure whether when it will make a pullback complete, but weekly chart wise trend is still good. Okay, riding on the uptrend. Okay, main resistance somewhere around this area over here. Okay, so maybe pullback hits. I'm not sure whether it will pull back or not before it goes up. Okay, overall I think okay lah for Systech, riding in a very slow pace, uptrending patterns. Okay, like for example, I think this one is remind me of our IPG. Okay, our IPG also I think yesterday someone asked lah. Okay, but our IPG they break the previous resistance over here lah. So here also, they are riding on this trend. 1, 2, now third. Okay. So this one probably will be a little bit of a slow movement already. Usually going into third pullback, the movement is a bit slow. All right, you want to always try to hook into the first pullback, okay, so that the trend can move slightly faster. All right. Okay, now Systec. Let's go back to Systec. I think I just now reviewed Systec already. Like I said, I already locked some profit at resistance. Not a big profit, just a ayo. I don't think it's chanted anymore for this one. I will see how maybe end of the day I will exit all. The other day I think my entry somewhere around 440. I think it's 440. Okay. Somewhere around here. 445. Just now I think I managed to lock some at 46 something. So it's a very small profit only. Okay, so if let's say today, like I say in the Telegram, right? If let's say today close the shooting star, I think I'll exit all first. Okay, especially come with high volume. Okay, for Systec. All right. Not to say they are not good, but just that sometimes if let's say got profit taking from here, especially now with news, right? They'll do it and shake out, or probably they will sideways for a while. Okay, before they goes up. Okay, now this is review from the comments here. Probably for my remaining of my time, I just go to some of the alerts, okay, based on my pullback alerts. Okay, PTRB. Oh, PTRB, a nice pullback. This is the first wash. So fast. How many percent? 5% already. Okay, never mind. So okay, now this is what I call the first pullback after break resistance. So normally I cannot say it's a guarantee, but normally this kind of trend can last a little longer one. Okay, so here resistance, okay, break, first pullback. This is what I mean. Okay, first pullback around 55 cents area. All right. So okay, let me zoom in a bit. Okay, volume so far so good If let's say close to resistance also, I think I don't want also Maybe let's see how a few days later on they will retest back around 49 areas. Then I think okay. So far PTRB is good. Okay, Tenaga. Okay, Tenaga looks like also making another pullback completes. Okay, this one slow and steady type I still holding half for Tenaga. D Pharma. Hey, D Pharma accumulation. This one break accumulation can consider. But right now you want to enter also can, but just that a bit boring sideways market right now. Okay, the pharma today actually not much Can I just put this back over here, this screen? Today actually nothing much SDS. Okay, this one still pull back. Okay, can consider, but just the volume today. Okay lah, boleh lagi. Okay, now new one synergy. Let's try synergy. Oh, this one also. Okay, this one looks like also pullback. Goes up. Okay, first round. Now retest. Okay, probably you want to aim for the resistance. Okay. MBSB. This one definitely is a pullback. Okay. Also same things. Break resistance. Okay, resistance, support. Okay. Now, of course, risk to reward 1 against 1 if you want to enter right now. Okay, or if not, you see whether it can hit the 20 MA or not later on. Okay, so this one I think everything is still pretty good. Okay, for MBSB. Okay, how about others? Synergy, MBSB, dah share di tak payah lah, pricey stock lah. MHC. Okay, not much movement. It's okay. Solid. Oh. Okay, never mind. A bit liquid. So far still liquid. Probably, hopefully, we can see more volume. EA Tech a bit volatile also. Okay, it's okay. Tech Bond. Okay, let's do into Tech Bond and red tone. So, okay. This one a bit similar ECMO. Oh yeah, ECMO. ECMO I can review also. ECMO actually pretty nice. Okay, so this one, yesterday I think pullback completes, good volume, building support around the gap area. Okay, but of course right now it's a bit close to resistance. You see whether it can like here retest or not. Okay, around 50 cents area, I think it's a good one. Okay, so okay, the other one is ECMO. ECMO also same things. Gap up. Yesterday also pulled back a little bit already, but I like ECMO more. Now close with the support one already. Okay, so here's the support one, exactly at the gap area. Okay, drop. I leave up to you whether you want to exit or not, but definitely this is a good risk reward for me. Okay, 1 against 14 because now it's trading very close with my support level. Okay, entry 65 cents. Okay, if let's say you want to take profit around 75 cents and above lah. Okay, this area here. Again, not doing any buy and sell call. This is my own personal trading plan, which is I think it's a good risk to reward, and then the setup also pretty good also at the moment for ECMO. Okay, any other questions? If not, probably I'll just end my section here today. Nothing much today. Okay, just that again, continue to monitor those pullbacks. Oh, this is also a good pullback. This is also a good pullback. Right now, market is boring, man. Now this is a good stock to watch out. Okay, so let's say you use this green zone over here. Okay, if let's say close to 1 or above 1, okay, this is 1 minus 0.1. Notice here 0.1, which means this stock is trending a little bit already, or maybe they are close resistance. Okay, so normally what I do is that I like to trade very close to 0, which is right now. Okay, but again, you don't purely enter based on this. So what I do is that, like I say, I watch out for hammer, or watch out for COC. So in other words, I try to enter support area, okay, which is with the help of this green zone over here, combination with my strength signal, okay, hammer, COC, or even pullback completes. Okay, so yes, I think red tone definitely worth to watch out. Okay, worth to watch out. Okay, so right, I think with this I will end my section here today. So if let's say there's any other stocks I feel interesting, anything that is interesting to update, I will do it in the Telegram. So make sure you join my Telegram, XIFU Telegram. Join the chat room as well if you want to have more discussions. Don't forget to click the like buttons for me, help me to share this out. Right, so with this, thank you. I will see you tomorrow.